Hull Pole Sunshine Coast Model Railway channel. I'm going for a mooch around in the train room. Why don't you join me? Come on, we'll see what we can see.
Wait, what?
That's it. So here's a different view of the engine shed there. There's a lot of engines on shed there today, as there always are, waiting their turn of duty. And coming round here we've got that Sonic LNER A5 tank which arrived a few weeks ago. She's a beast of a loco. Very capable of drawing anything you put behind her, I believe. And although most I've had behind her there, she's got 6 on, no problem at all. The poor old buyer Garrett's been stuck on the turntable there for a long time, not had much use. And well, there's the Hatton's P-cast there, a Bluebell, and here's the little black BR one on some of those lovely Hatton's 6-wheel coaches. It was very interesting to see Hatton's have announced another 6. Unfortunately, it's not until the 4th quarter of next year. Are you having a laugh? As a man of advanced years, I may not even be around to see them. Waiting that length of time, but this is standard now, isn't it? If I want to replace my car with the exact model I've got now, I have to wait 14 months. A bit like Soviet Russia in the 50s. Oh, I might get a black mark from YouTube for saying that. Now this A4 coming around here, which is Dominion of Canada, has been is one that came from my deceased estate of my good friend GB, who I did a video about our trips up to him to see him every month for nearly 20 years. And over here, oh, I've got my glasses on there, don't mind that. Yes, here's the Hornby T9, the black T9. Might have been had that built, one of those cross-country LSWR sets from EFT. Very nice indeed. Expensive, but everything's expensive now. And that there is the, can you see that? The scrap line. I saw the scrap locomotives going for scrap. This here is the diesel depot. And I can see one of those Hatton's overhead electric shunting locos there. There's a little push-pull with one of those 14XX tanks on it. And the locomotive you don't often see on the layout is the Bullet Q1, the Hornby one, with some petrol tankers there. There she comes again. Okay. Alright. So this is the controller setup. This is a Morley controller, which I'm sure you've seen before, and 2 of those gauge masters. You can't go past these 2 different models there. They're superb and ultra reliable. So this is the workbench such that it is. Sorry it's in a hell of a mess, and I did buy some of these Model U figures, and oh boy, do you have to be careful. I've never seen anything so brittle in all my life. The first 2 I did, I managed to break a bloke's leg off. The other one lost his arm trying to get those sprues off, although I was ultra careful. So they are very, very, very brittle. They are lovely replicas of figures, and of course you've got to have good eyesight to be able to paint them. You can buy those glasses you fit over your forward there and mix magnify it, which I might have to do. So I'll be having an attempt at that anyway. Hello YouTubers, welcome to the channel. Today I'm got 4482 Golden Eagle. That's the special run by Dapol of the Gresley A4 Pacifics. And these are a few years old now and probably pretty hard to come by all accounts, so I'm glad I've got it. I do take my hat off to Dapol for producing this logo because it really is fantastic, I think. Lights, smoke, that colour between the cab and the tender, all little features that are extra to the Bartman and Hornby models. So shall we give her a run and see how she performs? She's got 7 on. Unfortunately not LNER coaches, we've got a set of my usual rake of Southern coaches on there. So okay, stand by and we'll give her a test run. Bye for now.
What in the hell are you talking about?
Just before I leave you, here's a Hornby Coronation class in wartime black, which my friend Steve up the road very kindly renumbered it and put British Railways on the tender so that it fitted in with most of my other rolling stock. I think it looks rather good. I rather like the wartime black actually, but of course it would have been absolutely filthy in real life during the war years as there was no maintenance, not much, certainly not for cleaning purposes anyway. Alright, that's my lot for today. I'll just swing round and give you a general view of the layout as it is at the moment before we say goodbye. Okay. I'm hoping my back will recover somewhat during the forthcoming 12 months. It's very difficult to walk any distance at the moment. I get that lower left back pain.